be opening a fidget cube, which I got from this restaurant because they were giving out these if you gave them points, and it says second ears relieve stress, and adults, red, black, and I guess that's the color. Made in China, because everything's made there except the real fidget cube. Fidget cube, work, class, home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fidget cube, work, class, home. Click, spin, flip, glide, roll, breathe. And yeah, the bottom is just this thing. I don't know. And yeah, let's just open it first. I'm going to try removing the tape because I kind of want to keep the box. So yeah. So, yeah, I did it, but it kind of got damaged, but whatever. Let's just open this and see what's inside. So, this would be my first fidget cube, though. I don't really fidget when so yeah, this is the paper thing. And the fidget cube is surrounded by plastic, so it won't get damaged, which is good, right? Yeah. Later, when I'm testing it out, I will put the sound. Okay, so there's this paper that says, I don't really fidget. Would I enjoy fidget cube? We think so. Not everyone fidgets the same amount, but spending the last few years deeply interested in the process of fidgeting, we've observed the fact that almost everyone fidgets to some extent in a variety of ways. How do I use it? It's simple. Fidget cube, stuff. Product warranty, stuff. Anyway, we'll start with click. Next is spin. This rolls really well, by the way. Next is flip. It's supposed to be like a light switch, but there's not really much sound. Next is glide. I have watched some videos, and I've heard that the original one has a lower joystick, and the fake one has a higher joystick. So yeah. Next is roll. This doesn't really make any sound like the ball thing, but it's really smooth. And I heard that the ball thing is supposed to be able to click, but this one doesn't click. And then breathe. And then this is kind of shallow. I imagined it would be a bit deeper, and yeah. So this is how it fits in my hand. It's a bit big, I guess. It's okay though. Wait. I have something to show you. Okay, look at this. How do I use it? It's simpler. And also they say, has 6 sedes. Just thought you should see this. Okay, bye.